Good morning. I'm recording on my cell phone, so ignore my angle and the video quality, but come with me to go get my toenails done. My appointment was at 10. Initially it was at 10:30, but me and her talked last night and she said I can come at 10 o'clock because I want to get it done earlier because I have work today. So yeah, right now it's 10:03, but she doesn't live far from me. Her house is probably like 5-6 minutes from mine, so I should be there pretty soon. I'm working all week except Friday because I needed to take it off to get my fingernails and my hair done. So yeah, and I also need to get my eyebrow wax. As you can see, oh my gosh, I look like a homeless person. But I'm gonna go in there and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hello my loves, I'm here at Walmart. I came to grab a few stuff and head back home and get ready for work. But I want to bring you guys along, but I don't feel like taking my camera in with me. So I'm just gonna record on my cell phone. I know I need to get used to like and feel comfortable with vlogging in public because that's the only way I'm gonna get comfortable. But I don't know, I'm just not feeling it, so I'm not gonna post it. But yeah, plus it's not that much I wanna record, just maybe get a few footage. So I'm gonna just be using my phone. That's it. You know what, I think I'll take my camera, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know if I take it or not, or if I was able to use it or not. So it's so cold, like I'm tearing up. Oh my gosh. I did not record anything because I was gonna record on my phone, but my boyfriend called, so I couldn't record anything. But it's okay. I want to go to Dollar Tree right now, and it's like super close to Walmart. It's just like 1 minute away, so I'm gonna go there because I want to get like a bucket, and then probably also go to the African market and get me some plantain chips and then go home. So it's 12:10 right now. I want to be home by maybe 12 to 1, you know, rest for 30 minutes and then start getting ready for work. So let's go.
Oxygen. Are you recording?
Yes, we need to go bring stuff in.
Always watch your back. Shit.
$8, right?
11.
I always pay $8 cash.
No, 11. Right now, car 11.
Yeah, with card is that, but with cash, I always use cash.
Car 11. You pay car blood pack.
What?
11 blood pack. The car.
No, I'm not paying card, cash.
Car 11.
Cash?
Mm-hmm.
How much is card?
11 blood pack. 11.77.
You guys just be carrying the
You
price
don't
of
know.
anytime you want, huh?
You do know.
What?
11. You do.
Go ahead, but I don't think I will do it for today, but that's crazy though. Because I don't think I will be coming back. Right?
Okay. 11. 1 year.
No.
No. 11.
Go ahead. I have videos in my phone I can show you. Not 1 year ago.
Hôm nay có 8 đồng mà, hôm nay nó làm tháng rồi có 8 đồng mà, tôi nói 11 đồng, nó trả thẻ cho thằng khác. I do it $11 like 20 years ago.
No. I got video in my phone. Every time I come here,
show me the video.
do it. I'll pay 11 today, but I will show you.
Yeah.
Every time I come here, I take a video.
Okay, cái hộp rác không có thôi. Đây. Ai lấy 8 đồng trời.
You guys just
Okay,
carry the
you
price
show-
up
đây là you
anytime
show,
you
okay?
want.
Yeah. Up to me,
It's
leave it.
crazy.
Rồi ha, được quay phim luôn ha. Chừng này ở này khó nhổ ghê luôn á.
Nè chị. Bên kia kìa. Bên chị Ngọc đó. Chị Ngọc ngồi á.
Video you look okay. Slow nha.
Nhưng quay về bắt kiếm cái nhỏ đó.
Cha này khó đâu. Chừng này xấu quá. Mình không có cầm được.
Nó chắn đuôi đây.
Đó là sao đẹp. Chết. Em mất một cái đuôi nó có này nó có. Giữ theo cho nó thôi. Later. Chưa xong cứ vòng hoài ra.
I have to make sure I'm looking.
No, you look, I don't do that.
Well,
Done,
I want to
done,
make
done,
sure
done.
you're not doing nothing
Okay.
that I don't
Right.
like.
Then I do. You look okay? Nè bé nhậu ra đây ra. Mẹ.
If you want it, you don't have to come in. If you want it, you want to say come in.
Dave, come back here, okay?
How you gonna tell me I can't look at my own eyebrows? Like, what the fuck? Well, I got my free thing. I'm just gonna go fix it a little bit, and I'll be fine. So it's not a problem to look at my own eyebrows, and I'm not recording you. You're not in the video whatsoever. I'm just recording me. And I asked them, can y'all provide me a mirror? Because they're like, oh, we don't want you recording us, blah, blah, blah. I'm not recording you. I'm recording me. Okay, then I'm using my phone as a mirror. So if you don't want me to record myself, then how about you provide me with a mirror, right? And then she's like, no, even the mirror, we don't give it. Like, what the fuck? I'm paying my money. It's my face. I can look at my face. But yeah, anyways, I walk out and they're like, okay, so if you're not gonna stop, then you can get out. I'm like, okay, fine. So I got out and I'm going home, and they were halfway through my eyebrows, as y'all can see. And I didn't pay 1 cent. I didn't pay anything. I'm going out, going home. I'm just gonna go home and finish it. Well, good luck. Now who lose? You guys, not me, because I basically got almost like a free service. So yeah, if you want to be so controlling and have so many rules, that's what you get. I'm going home and just finish it up, and I'm good, and I would never go back there. This is why I do my own shit for myself. This is why I do my own hair. I do my own toes. I do my own, like, sometimes I'll just polish my own nails, because this is the shit I don't want to experience. First, I go in the, the little, I don't know, table or bed, whatever that you lay on. That shit is so dirty, and I was like, can you put something clean over it? You guys need to be changing the bed clothes. It's too dirty.
Well, I put here your toe. It in the.
No. It's okay. You lay down. I was telling him, like, you guys, she's doing my eyebrows. She's just fucking talking over me, and she has no marks on. But you know what? I'm not even gonna stress myself, because I'm already like,
Oh my gosh, this truck is still over there. I'm already angry. I lost so much footage, like all my footage from New Year's Day, like wash night. I accidentally deleted them, and now I was like almost done editing the vlog to post maybe on Friday or Thursday, and now I don't have anything. I have to start all over, so I'll probably just post like a, I don't know, 15-20 minutes vlog, because I lost all my footage and I've been trying to retrieve them, like watching a lot of YouTube videos, like, you know, how to retrieve a permanently deleted video, and nothing is helping. In fact, I saw this one video where it says to download something software, and they're asking me to pay freaking $69. I'm not gonna pay that. Like, I'm not even making money off of YouTube to go pay some $60+ just to, you know, get some couple footage. So it's okay. My video this week is just gonna be like, I don't know, because I've been getting ready for my trip, and I went and did my toenails. I'm not even sure if I still have footage from that day. I did my toenails, and today was to do my eyebrows, and then Friday I'll be getting my hair and fingernails done. So I'm low-key, not even low-key, I'm high-key angry, and now these people just like intensify my anger, but it's okay, we're good. It's just footage, and I just keep telling myself, take a deep breath, I'm fine, because all day yesterday I spent like 3 hours trying to like figure out how to retrieve them, and I just gave up. So I'm just gonna start all over, and just try to pull the little one that I have together and upload it to YouTube. So yeah, I put so much effort, time, energy into that video that got deleted, and it just hurt my heart so much, because I'll come from work at like almost 11, and I'll be up till midnight editing it, just because I'm super busy this week. I'm working, and I still have to plan for my trip, so I don't have enough time. So I've been like editing little by little every time I come from work, and now everything is just going down the drain. So it really hurts my heart, but I'm fine, and I'll just edit and upload the little clip that I have. So yeah, bye. Look at the difference. This one, it's too thin. This is one of the reasons why I was looking. She took out too much hair from here. You see how this one, it's more full? Like, what the heck is this? And they were charging me $11. So I was asking them, like, since when did the price change from $8 to $11? And they're like, 2 years ago. Like, why are you lying for this? I was literally just down there in May for my graduation to get my eyebrows waxed. Why were they lying, talking about 2 years ago? First, the one who was on my eyebrows, she said 1 year ago. I'm like, I have video from like literally a few months ago. And then the other one came in, she's like, 2 years ago. I was telling them, I'm like, y'all gonna see it in the clip. I'm just like, they just change the price anytime they want and feel like. Cause what is this? I'm gonna try to fix it. Hello guys. Come back with me for my trip tomorrow. I said tomorrow because it's currently 12 a.m. like midday into Friday, so we're basically like, this thing is not gonna focus, so no point of it, but just believe me. Right now it's 12 a.m. at night, and I only have tomorrow, and I have to do like a lot of stuff tomorrow.
So I want to start packing tonight. I need to get all that clothes washed. I need to get my fingernails done, my hair done, which I'm not sure if I will still make it to my hair appointment because it's like 35 minutes away from me, and we have a like terrible snowstorm coming, like blizzard, windy, you name it. So I texted the girl today and told her I'm not sure if I'll make it because I don't want to risk it and drive that far. If it was somewhere around me, I will probably like manage it and go. But I'll definitely be going for my nails appointment because it's closer to me and it's at 5 p.m. So hopefully by then the roads are clear and stuff like that. But my hair appointment was at I think 10 or 11 a.m. So I mean, when I wake up today, because we're basically in today, so I can't say tomorrow because yeah, it's Friday already. Anyways, when I wake up, I'm gonna like look outside and see how bad the roads are. If not, I'll probably just like, I don't know, drive and go get it done, or I'll have to get it done myself. And I wanted my hair to be perfect. I can do my own wig and my own hair, but it doesn't look as good as when someone else's do it. So I was willing to pay the cash and get it done, but now we have a bad winter storm coming. It's been crazy this week, like starting Monday all the way, like the entire week it's been snowing. So I can't wait to get out of Iowa for a little bit. But yeah, come pack with me since I can't sleep. I just got off from work like 2 hours ago. So yeah, by the way, I already sent a lot of my stuff ahead, so I really don't have to pack a lot, but I know I'm still gonna pack a lot. Like, that's just me. But anyways, yeah, let's start. Hello and welcome back. I know the last time I talked to you guys, I was telling you how today, I mean, we're already in the next day, but like yesterday, Thursday, no, Friday, I had like my nails appointment, which is done, and my hair appointment, which is also done. And I was telling you how I wasn't gonna make it because of the crazy snowstorm, but guess what? I made it. So my hair appointment was like 45 minutes, 43, 45 minutes away from where I live. So can you imagine? I'm gonna put a couple clips, can't even talk, a couple clips in here so you guys can see how bad the roads were. Like, there are a lot of cars that got flipped upside down, that went in the ditch. It was just so scary. I initially canceled with her. I was like, hey girl, because I woke up at 8 this morning, look outside, and it was crazy. So then I went back to bed, woke up at 9:30. I texted her. I was like, hey girl, I don't think I'm gonna make it, blah blah blah. And then I went back and texted her at like 10:40. I'm like, hey, is it okay if I start coming now? And she was like, I'm doing her hair right now, but you can come at 1. So I went. I made it to her house safely, but then on my way back, I got stuck in her neighborhood twice. And the second time, it was so bad that I think I spent like, what, 20-25 minutes. And a good Samaritan came by and he checked on me and he helped me shovel some snow. And I tried to get my car out. It wasn't coming out still. So then he was like, I have a rope in my car, let me go get it, and then I can probably help you pull your car out. I was like, okay. So when he went to his car to get the rope, I was still shoveling the snow, and I got back in my car. I was like, let me try again. And when I did, thank God, thankfully my car got removed. And I was just thanking him. I'm like, God bless you, thank you so much. He was like, God bless you too. So like, the thought of him even stopping by to see or ask me if I was okay or check on me and try to offer his help, it was just like God sent an angel today to save my life, because it's so crazy. I don't even, like, I can't even explain the stuff my eyes witnessed today on the road. There were so many accidents, like trucks. I'm talking like semi trucks, pickup trucks, like bigger cars, smaller cars, all kinds of cars got like flip out on the road today. And I made it home. Even though I got stuck for a good minute, I made it home safe. Even though my toes, my feet were all like cold, chilly, freezing. My hair, everything was messed up. The hair I just got done, it got messed up because it was windy, it was breezy, and I only had like a hat over it, so like the ends of my hair was still showing out. At that point, I didn't even care about my hair anymore. I was just like thanking God. Like, I'm telling you, I literally cried tears. I'm gonna put everything in here so y'all can see. But anyways, it was crazy. And when I got back to Cedar Rapids, I told myself, I said I wasn't gonna drive myself again today. So thankfully my dad, he's been helping a lot, like dropping us here and there today, because he has a pickup truck. So his car has 4-wheel that like is a little bit better to use in the snow. So he took me for my appointment and I made it. I just made up my mind when I got back after that terrible experience. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do press on. But I made it for my appointment. I have my hair and my nails done, even though I don't think the hair one was worth it, but it's okay. Just happy that I made it back home safe and sound. But my flight I canceled but rescheduled for 11:40 a.m. That's basically 12 p.m. So I'll just say for 12 p.m. So I mean, I'm kind of happy, but I wanted to get there earlier so I can get more stuff to do. But it's okay, safety comes first, because I witnessed a lot today. I saw a lot of stuff with my eyes, so I'm not even mad. Safety comes first. So yep. But also I get to sleep in a little bit, like get a couple hours of sleep instead of waking up after maybe 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours nap. But yeah, that's the update. I still have to finish parking the rest of my stuff down here. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. And I'm gonna edit this clip, this one I'm talking in right now, edit it, and yeah, and upload on YouTube, but schedule for tomorrow to be posted. I already talked to you guys how I lost a lot of my footage, so yeah, we're not gonna bring that one back. But anyways, I'm talking a lot. Come finish packing with me, okay? I probably won't talk to you again. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.